Welcome from Ramani Ranjan Kutia. Today is my cycling day. Today one very big thought come to my mind. That is one is the law of conservation of energy and Atma. Two different things with same concept, with same hypothesis. Being a researcher, I try to synchronize both the things because as per physical science, energy neither be created nor be destroyed. It is only transferred from one form to another form. Like chemical is converted to heat, in the same way electrical energy converted to lights and the potential energy converted to kinetic energy. These are the three form of conversions. Basically what physical science is saying. It is not invented by the single scientist, majorly Julius, James and Roberts. Many scientists proved that, and subsequently Einstein's law of mass energy also proved that basically energy cannot be created, cannot be destroyed. It is also transformed from one form to another form. In the same ways, when we are talking about the spiritual thoughts, as per Srimad Bhagavad Gita, Atma is the energy, and same way it cannot be destroyed, it cannot be created. It is basically transferred from one form to another form, one body to another body. Depend upon your karma, depend upon your activities, you get new birth, and that birth basically decides what you did, what karma you did in your previous paths. This is the different things. What is the difference between physical science and spiritual thoughts here? Basically, what physical science is saying, energy is measurable, but as per Atma, as per Srimad Bhagavad Gita, basically it cannot be measured, it cannot be seen. So that is the big difference between the two concepts. But the hypothesis of the both thought, both concept, both research is the same. Both are going in the same angles about the energy. Again, the question is now coming after death, because as per the spiritual thoughts, it is saying after death, the Atma, the energy, migrate or moves from one body to different body, and that body is also decided based on the karma, or based on the work you have done in your previous path. In the same way, what physical science is saying, after the death, how the energy is moving, what is the transformation process, because as per physical science it is also saying energy cannot be destroyed, cannot be created. So definitely it is moving somehow, because when the person is died, that is one chemical energy is there, that is one physical kinetic energy is there is body movements. And in the same way, how they are moving, as per physical science, they are also transformed to the environments, and that energy is dissolved in the environment in the form of a virus, in the form of different formats. So again they people, but that virus again come into the different body. So if we will analyze, being the researcher, we will analyze both angle, both concept, you will find there is this, though both are working in a single hypothesis, and at the last moment they are agree the energy cannot be created, energy cannot be destroyed, it is just converting from one form to different forms. That is the whole objective of this physical science and spiritual thoughts. So as per my interpretations, being the researcher, the things will continue, the things will always be a debatable point, but being a researcher, I at this moment I interpret Yes, correct. Energy cannot be destroyed, cannot be created. Definitely, it is in a transformable forms, and this we know the Srimad Bhagavad Gita is not the present things, but present invented things. It is since very long period ago. It is actually given to the human societies. In the same way, at this moment, the current scientists or current physicists basically invented these things and try to prove that things. So sometimes many people have that concept. This is superstitions, but I like to communicate these things. Many things are there which need a lot of research to bring the right things instead of proving that this is a kind of a superstitions. We need to make the things whether it is correct, whether it is not correct, by the form of a research. So that research can justify whether it is superstition or correct science. Thank you.